friends! This is KiddyXYZ. Learn, play, and smile.
Hello, friends! Let's learn birds' names with fun facts. Sparrow. Little and chirpy, it loves eating seeds. Parrot. So clever, some parrots can copy human words. Peacock.
The male shows a huge, colorful tail to impress.
Eagle. With super sharp eyes, it can spot food from far. Owl. Nighttime bird with big eyes. Its head turns extra far. Penguin. A bird that can't fly, but swims super fast. Flamingo. Pink from tiny shrimp, great at one-leg balance. Hummingbird. Wings beat so fast they can hover in place.
Duck. Webbed feet help swimming. Quack, quack, splash. Swan. Long neck and smooth glide, so calm and beautiful.
Pigeon. Great at finding home. Some fly long distances. Woodpecker. Strong beak drills wood to find yummy insects. Kingfisher. Spots fish, then zoo, splashy catch. Ostrich. Biggest bird, can't fly, but runs super fast. Blue jay. Loud and clever, hides acorns to snack later. Emu. Tall and speedy, second largest bird in the world. Hen and chick. Moms keep chicks warm in nests to help them grow. Turkey. It says gobble gobble and can fly short bursts over farms. Robin. Orange-red chest listens for worms on lawns. Great job, bird buddies! Which bird name and fact did you love?
Thanks, friends. Like, share, and subscribe.